It's very possible that people can walk the same path in life, at least in the sense of having the same direction or intention. Like different religions teach you to live different ways. So if you subscribe to the same religion as Pete down the street, you guys have the same path, you have the same direction. But the truth is that you can never be Pete, because spiritually there's a distance between you two. You have your place in the world, they have theirs. So while your direction can be the same as Pete, you can never be Pete. You can never walk in his shoes. He has his spot, you have yours. But what is really a direction? What is a path? What is a religion? It's a way of going toward something. It's your direction in life. If you choose to become a lawyer, you will become a lawyer and you will have that as your destination, so to speak. But whatever path you go in, that is the precise results that you're gonna get. So everybody should be choosing their path very wisely, remembering that though you and somebody else can have the same path, you're not ever going to be the same person, because there is a distance spiritually between you and them. Your aura is actually a reflection of all that you have experienced. It's a spiritual energetic accumulation of everything that you've ever went through, and that includes all that you have taken from the source, which everything is a part of, and all that you have given to the source, which everything is a part of. That's what really is your aura. In other words, your aura is the reflection of your soul. Just like you see your face in the reflection when you look in the mirror, so too is your soul's reflection, and this is the aura. So it's important to go in a direction in life that makes your aura what you want it to be. There is a big distinction to be made between what's taking and what's giving. When you give, that's what you make others to take. When you take, that's what others have given you. So it's not the same thing. Giving and taking in life is not the same thing. It's just like on YouTube. You make a video, you upload it, that's what you're giving. That's one half of your aura. It's what you're giving. And what you consume on YouTube, what you watch, what others have given to you to watch, that's your taking when you're watching that. Everybody gives, everybody takes. It adds to the aura. The whole aura is made of what you give and you take.